Hey guys, we'll see this Nacome solar garden outdoor statues like the turtle with the succulent and of 7 LED lights. So let me just open this box and show it to you. We received this for test and try, and this is a lawn decor tortoise statue for patio, balcony, yard, or anywhere else you want to use. So this one, this manual, very nice protective box to save it. And this is the turtle thing, a lightweight but really nice thing. You can see the design here. The design is really nice with a 360-degree view. I will just show this is the solar panel. So this the lights can be charged with the solar thing. And yeah, so there are 7 LED lights here, which you can use. And then we can just put. So this is for solar. So when there is no sun, then this will be just working in and just use. So but the design wise, I really like the design and the quality of this. As you can see, everything is really marked well, the portrait well. So this one is around 8.5 inches in length and 4.9 inches in height. So I just put it in outside to get some solar charge. And this look really nice. And then in the night, you can see this LED lights looks good. In the dark, you can see feel those LED lights. So this tortoise looks really nice and good with the lights and stuff. So lights are also bright and looks good. So overall, my impression is very nice with the waterproof, auto charging, and auto lighting with the 8 hours light, LED lights, and the nice statue for your patio or the balcony. Hope you like this as well, and this will add up to your patio.